So here 10th standard mathematics topic we're to discuss over here right now. So first one point is to be the remember what is mean by the linear equation in two variables. First question generated by default itself in your mind, what is mean by what is linear equation in two variable? What is linear equation in two variables? What is mean by the linear equation in two variables? Here most of the students will get the answer. Students know what is mean by linear equation in two variables. A linear equation in two variables has two conditions. Number one, an equation which contains the two variables and degree of each term containing one variable is called as linear equation in two variables. Is called as, there are two conditions. Number one, there are two conditions, has two variables. Suppose for an example x and y, these are the two variables, and having index of both the variables is 1. Index of both the variables is 1. Index of both the variables is 1. Finally we will get the definition of it. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. A, B, C are the coefficient of the given two variables is called as the standard form of the linear equation in two variables x and y. Where a, B, C belongs to R. It means that where A, B, C are the coefficients which belongs to a real number, and C may or may not be a 0. For example, the standard form of the linear equation, here this is the general form of equation. General form of equation. Here I will be mention on the paper what is the general form of the equation. So ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Here is the first term. This is the first term with variable x. This is the second term second, and this is the constant term with this is the second term. In second term with variable y, this is the term, and b will be the coefficient. In the c plus c, here the constant term. This is the constant term, and this will be the 0. Where that's why the condition given in linear equation in two variable a comma b comma c belongs to R. R means the real number. Okay. So for an example, we have to focus. For an example, 3x minus 4y. 3x is equals to 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. Is equal to minus 12. This is the one example of it. And 3x minus 3x is equals to 3x. This equation can be written in this way also. 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. Is that clear? These are the two equations. This equation can be written in this form also. For an example, we have to check out the activity, complete the following tables. Based on these two conditions is really helpful to understand the linear equation in two variables. Firstly, have two variables, that is x must be there and y must be there, and index of both the variable is always 1. How to cross check out the linear equation in two variable when an equation which contains the two variables and degree of each term containing variable is 1 is called as the linear equation in one variable. Suppose ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is the general form of the linear equation in two variable, where a, b, c are the real numbers and a, b are not equal to 0 at the same time. So therefore complete the activity. Here we focus on the activity. Here we have to cross check out the given equation, the given linear equation in one variable is not or to be. Is the equation in linear equation in two variable? If yes, then say yes. If no, then cross mark. Suppose first equation in your activity. Suppose check out this is the equation in two variable is or not to be. 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. There are two variables. What is the condition? What is the condition of linear equation in two variable? Has two variables. Yes, there are m is variable also, and n is variable also. Index of both the variables is always a 1. So this is called as the linear equation in two variable. So if this is yes, then write down yes here. Yes, this is a linear equation in two variable. Number 2, cross check out. Yes, we have to cross check out the given equation is to be linear equation two variable or not to be. So 3x square minus 7y, 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13. Is equal to 13. Is this a given equation is linear equation in two variable or not? You must be cross check out. You have to just check out that there are two variables x and y. Yes, there are two variables x and y. Index of both the variable is 1. No, here mention the degree 2. So this is not the linear equation in two variable. Number 3, square root of 2x minus square root of 5y. Square root of 5y is equal to 16. There are two variables. First condition, in linear equation in two variable, you have to cross check out at this time. You have to just check out the two variables are to be present in the given equation or not to be. And the second condition is to be there. Index of both the variable is always 1. If this is the given in the given equation in linear equation in two variable, then it's a possibly linear equation in two variable. This comes under the category of linear equation in two variable. Here the two variables are given x and y. So variable is 2. Of degree 1. Yes, of degree 1. Then yes, obviously it's a possible. Then it's a right cross mark. Right marks over there. So this is the linear equation in one variable. Third thing, fourth example. Suppose 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. Is this a linear equation in two variable? Here one condition is given to you in linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable, there will be condition is given to you where a, b, c are the coefficient and they are to be the real number. So a and b are here. Here variable 2 is given to you and of degree power 1. Yes, so that must be, that is not the linear equation into variable. Example number 5. 0.3x, 0.3x has some value plus 0y, out of them minus 36 is equal to 0. Is this a linear equation in one variable? No, this is not the linear equation in one variable. Why? Because they are not mentioning the coefficient over a, b, c are the real number compulsorily. This is a mandatory condition in linear equation into variable. And minus c, it means c is the constant term of degree 1 of variable index 1. Here index of both the variable is 1, of two variable is given to you, but the coefficient of a, b, c is given where b is given to you 0. So this is not the linear equation in one variable. Number 6 example. Suppose 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 4. Is this a linear equation in one variable? Firstly, convert into variables. 4y plus 5x is equal to 4xy. Is this a linear equation in two variables? Two variables are given to you, x and y. Other condition will not matter because only two condition we have to consider at the time of checking the linear equation in two variable. So index of both the variable is 1 always. So it's 1. Now second condition has two variables in x and y in the form. So therefore it's a linear equation in one variable. So yes, it's a linear equation. Let b will be possibly there. Seventh example. In seventh example, we focus on 4xy minus 5y minus 8. Is this a linear equation into variable? Yes, because two variables also is given in the problem. 4xy minus 5y minus 8. Am I right? Is equal to 0. Is given to you. Constant term is given to you. With variable y term is given to you. This is a total term. Any equation is in the general equation in the form of linear equation in two variable. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. According to this condition, two variable are given to you, but variable with x is not given to you in this case. So there is no possibility. The given problem comes under the linear equation in two variable. Now we move towards the simultaneous linear equation. What is meant by the simultaneous linear equation? We move towards the next part, simultaneous linear equation. What is meant by simultaneous linear equation? Simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equation. What is meant by simultaneous linear equation? When we consider the two equations in two variables, there is to be the key points. What is meant by a simultaneous equation? When we consider two linear equation in two variables, in two variables at the same time and we get the unique common solution and we get the unique common solution then such a set of equation is called as simultaneous equation. The equation in which we have to solve both the equation at the same time and we get the unique common solution instead of that. So then such a set of equation is called as simultaneous linear equation. Have a mark over here. What is mean by simultaneous linear equation? Most important point over here. Have a star mark over here. What is mean by a simultaneous linear equation? At the time of solving the problem, we really helpful this definition. What is mean by? In previous classes, we already have studied the method of solving the simultaneous equation. Number one, elimination by equating the coefficient, and second method, elimination by substitution. In previous classes, we already learned this thing. This is the first point. This is the second point. Number one, we already learned. Number two, in the previous standard, we have studied two methods. Number one, second point madhe, elimination by equating. Elimination by equating the coefficient. And method number two, elimination by substitution. Elimination by substitution. Now, in that number one, now we move towards the simultaneous linear equation by eliminating one variable. Let us revise it firstly. Taking the example, we move towards the example. We move towards some solved examples given in your book. So firstly, solved examples. Number one. In that solved example number one. What is the example number one? 5x minus 3y. Elimination by equating the coefficient. This problem will be solved by elimination by equating the coefficient. By this method you can solve this problem, equating the coefficient, first problem. So 5x minus 3y, 5x minus 3y, 5x minus 3y, 5x minus 3y is equals to 8. 3x plus y is equals to 2. Is equals to 2. Is equals to 2. Now, by elimination, equating the coefficient first. So first equation, this is the first equation, 5x minus 3y is equals to 8. This is the equation number 1. Now equation number 2 is given to you, 3x plus y is equals to 2. That is the equation number 2. Now multiplying both sides by equation 2 by 3, to convert the in linear equation in one variable with variable y term, we have to multiply with the 3. So multiplying both sides of the equation 2 by 3, multiply by 3 to equation 2 on both sides. We get, what do we get? We get 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. That is the equation number 3. So mention here, this is the equation number 3. Adding 1 and 3, adding 1 and 3, adding equation 1 and 3. From this equation and this equation we have to add up. Adding 1 and 3, we get, what we get? We get 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. So convert the sign first here. Not necessary to convert the sign. Always be plus here, because both variables in same case, opposite terms with variable will cancel out here. This term will get cancelled out. 9 plus 5 is 14x and 8 plus 6 is 14. So 14x is equals to 14. 14x plus is equals to 14. So here, dividing 14 on both sides, you will get it. 14x upon 14 is equal to 14 upon 14. This 14 will get cancelled. 14 ones are 14. So value of x will be 1 here. Is that clear? Value of x is equals to 1. Value of x is equals to 1. Substitute, put x is equals to 1 in equation number 2. Put x is equals to 1 in equation number, put x is equals to 1 in equation number 2. We get x is equals to 1 in, put x is equals to 1 in equation number 2. We get 3x plus y is equal to 2. Here the value of x is equals to 1. So 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 2. Then y is equals to 2 minus 3. Then y is equals to minus 1. Here we will get the solution of x and y, value of x and y according to the variable. So x comma y. So therefore x comma y, the coordinates of x comma y are to be 1 or minus 1, 1 comma minus 1 is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Now, same problem we have to solve by the method number 2. This is the method number 1. This method number 1. This is the method number 1. Method number 1. Now, we move towards the method number 2. Same problem solved by the method number 2. That is the method is elimination by substitution. Elimination by substitution. The same problem will have to be solved by method number 2, the elimination by substitution. So both the equations given to you in this case also. So 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. That is the equation number 1. 3x plus y is equal to 2. That is the equation number 2. That is the equation number 2. Writing y in terms of x from equation number 2. So here the equation y is equal to 2 minus 3x. This is the equation number 3. Put this value of y in equation 1. Put this value of y in equation. Put this value of y in equation number what? In equation number 1. So we get the result. We get the result 5x minus 3y is equals to 8. Write down the equation here. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. Here value of y is getting to you. Value of y is getting to you. So 5x minus 3 into 2 minus 3x is equal to 8. So 5x minus 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Is equal to 8. Here we will get the value of x. 5x plus 9x, that is 14x, is equal to, here transposition of the constant term shifting towards the right hand side, so it will become a positive. Negative term will become a positive term. So 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. So 14x is equals to 14. Dividing 14 on both sides. So 14x upon 14 is equals to 14 upon 14. 14 will get cancelled out. Then value of x will be 1. Here we will get the value is x is equals to 1. Now put the value of x in equation number 3. Put the value of x in equation number 3. Put the value of x in equation number 3. In equation 3, we get y is equals to 2 minus 3x. So y is equals to 2 minus 3 into 1. Here 2 minus 3, 3 ones are 3. So 3 into 1 is 3. 2 minus 3 is equals to, value of y is equals to minus 1. Same way here also. Process is same, just by this method is by elimination by substitution, and this is the first method we have to learn already. This method is called as elimination by equating the coefficient. And current method, what we learn right now, this is the elimination of by substitution method. Here value of y is equals to minus 1. So therefore x is equals to plus 1 and y is equals to minus 1 is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. X is equals to 1 and y is equals to minus 1 is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Now, we have to fill up the box given below to solve the simultaneous linear equation with the help of some activity. We have to do some activity because it's an activity-based problem. Now we have to solve. We focus towards the activity-based problem. There is one problem given to you. Example number 2. Activity-based question. Activity-based example. Activity-based example. Number 1 problem. 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y is equals to 29 and 5x minus y is equals to 18. 5x minus y is equal to 18. To solve the given simultaneous linear equation, fill the boxes given below. This is the equation number 1 given to you. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. Right? Here the activity is given to you. You need to just put up the here activity based example 3x plus 2y is equals to 29 and 5x minus y is equals to 18. That is the equation number 2. Now to solve the given linear equation in two variable or given simultaneous linear equation, multiply equation 2 by 2 to fill the empty boxes given below. So multiplying equation 2, multiplying equation 2 by 2. So what will comes out? 5x into 2 in the given empty boxes is given to you minus y into square bracket, this fill the empty box is 2 is equal to 18 multiplied by 2. 10x minus 2y, 10x minus 2y is equal to 36 is equal to, this is the equation number 3, this is the equation number 1, 2 and this is equation number 3. Now adding equation 1 and 3, adding equation 1 and 3, adding equation 1 and 3, 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y is equal to 29 and plus 10x, 10x is in square box, this is the empty boxes. We have to, right now we have to fill up this. This is 2y is equal to 36. This is also the empty box. We have to fill up by solving the simultaneous equation, adding equation 1 and 3. We have to directly get the result. So 13x here, 13x these opposite terms with variable y will cancel out. So 13x is equals to 65. Dividing 13 by both sides. So value of x will be, here. Value of x will be here. 13 will get cancelled out. Then value of x will be 5. 13 5s are 65. So value of x will be, variable x is equals to 5. Now we move towards find the value of y here. Find the value of y. Substituting x is equals to 5. Substituting. Put x is equals to 5. Put x is equals to 5. Put x is equals to 5 in equation 1. In equation number 1, we get, what do we get? What is the result output here in linear equation in two variable? So 3x plus 2y is equals to 29. 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. This is the first step. Now in second step, 3x, because value of x will be 5. So 3 into 5, this is a square box. 3 into 5 plus 2y is equal to 29. So 15 plus 2y is equal to 29. Then 2y, shifting the constant term towards the right hand side, so it will become positive to negative, convert into negative. So 29 minus 15, so 2y is equal to 14. Dividing 2 on both sides, we will get the result, value of y with a variable. Value of y variable will be 7. 2 7s are 14. So value of y is equals to 7. Here we will get the solution of x and y directly. So therefore x comma y is equal to 5, 7 are the coordinates of variable x and variable y. Value of variable x will be 5 and value of variable y will be 7. Is the solution of the given equation. Is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Clear? I think everything is clear in this problem. I think every point I should be clear in this linear equation in two variable chapter in solved examples. Various variety you have to clear. 2 examples I should be taking in this lecture. Another lecture we will focus on the practice set number 1.1, textbook page number 4. These examples we have to focus on the next lecture at this time only, or some another time now only, as possible as we will be taking in the next lecture. Clear? Yes, clear? Okay. Thanks for watching my videos. Similar videos I can be present. Thanks for watching my videos from Bhargavi Coaching Academy. Similar lecture I will be present in the next lecture with taking practice set number 1.1, textbook page number 40. Textbook page number is 4. Similar videos I will be taking in the next videos. So today we stop here. See you again in the next lecture with the practice set number 1.1 and textbook page number 4. Clear? Okay. Thanks for watching.